Secure the microscope base to the table using for screws. Install the limit ring and tighten the limit ring screw. Place the microscope standing on the column and then put on the protective cover on top of the column. Tighten the two knobs on the left side of the microscope holder that are responsible for securing it. The microscope stand is now firmly locked onto the column. Loosen the knob at the front of the bracket to raise it, then tighten it to secure it. Insert the screws on both sides into the holes and connect them to the microscope handles on both sides. The handle for easy left-right movement of the microscope lens has been installed. Insert the microscope lens holder into the microscope stand and tighten the lower knob responsible for securing it. After adjusting the lens bracket to a level position, use a wrench to tighten it. After adjusting the microscope stand connected to the lens holder to a horizontal position, tighten the knob. Unscrew the lens mounting screws. Mount the microscope lens onto the lens mount and tighten the screws to secure it. Remove the eyepiece protective cover and use a screwdriver to unscrew the eyepiece mounting screws. Install the eyepieces onto the lens and tighten the screws. The eyepiece on the other side is installed in the same way. Put the eye mask over the eyepiece. Adjust to a suitable eye spacing. Loosen the knob. Unfold the magnetic support stand, then tighten the knob to secure it in place. Use magnetic pieces to secure the reference image. Mount the 0.5x objective lens onto the microscope lens. Connect the controller of the ring light to the power supply and the ring light. Mount the ring light onto the microscope lens, then tighten the 3 screws to secure it in place. Turn on the ring light switch and turn the controller knob to adjust the light brightness.